Hello, this is Jacqui from UsTwoFriends.com, and today we'll be looking at the Panasonic NRBN34EX1B fridge freezer in stainless steel. Standing at 200 centimeters, 60 centimeters wide and 63.4 centimeters in depth, this fridge freezer is full to bursting with features to make keeping food fresh and nutritious a breeze. The capacity of the fridge freezer is a huge 330 litres, meaning it can hold up to 18 bags of shopping. 245 litres of that is within the fridge part, which, as you can see, has plenty of room to store essentials and treats within its easy to move and easy to clean safety glass shelves and its drink shelf. Hygiene air technology is integrated into the system to effectively kill 99.99% bacteria, keeping food fresher for longer. The fridge has a vitamin-safe light box, which, when enabled by a button on the front panel, simulates hues found in natural sunlight, activating your food's natural defences, reducing vitamin loss. The Japanese BreatheTech membrane seen here keeps things crisp. The egg box supplied also doubles as a container for pungent foods like onions and cheese, so as not to add any nasty or lingering smells to your fridge. The door shelves are easy to move and place by just pushing up the clips and pushing down into place again. The freezer holds 85 litres over its 3 compartments. The big compartment at the bottom we use like the maxi box and put large items in there. The maxi box is for large things like big meat joints and pie boxes, and flash freeze is for quickly cooling items after a big shop or that just need cooling faster than usual. The front features a touchpad area where you can choose the temperature of your fridge, then the freezer, as well as the eco setting, super cool and holiday mode. The Panasonic NRBN34EX1B is a sleek, modern and innovative fridge freezer and a welcome addition to any home.